Hello beautiful people, welcome to this episode of NaijaFoodTube. Today I'll be showing you how I prepare Nigerian fried rice. I'm sure you're going to love this. Nigerian fried rice is a meal that is common in most parties. It's actually a healthy way of enjoying rice as it incorporates plenty of veggies and is highly customizable. To prepare our fried rice, we'll need some chicken, gizzard, spring onions, carrots, onions, seasoning cubes, salt to taste, sweet corn, red bell pepper, curry powder, thyme, green peas, green bell pepper. To begin cooking, I'll pour the chicken stock from my boiled chicken into the pot and allow it to boil. I'll pour my washed rice into the boiling stock. You may parboil your rice, but this method works better for me because I don't want my rice too soft. I'll cover and allow to cook till almost dry. I'll sift and pour my rice into a separate bowl and allow to rest. To prepare my vegetable mix for the fried rice, I'll pour some vegetable oil into the pot and allow to heat up. Then add my chopped onions. Stir lightly, then add some salt. I'll let the onions caramelize a bit, then add my carrot. I'll allow my carrot cook for about 3 minutes, then add the red bell pepper, and the green bell pepper. I'll stir lightly. I'll add some curry powder, some thyme, not too much, then stir the mix. After about 3 minutes, I'll add my seasoning cube and my shredded chicken and gizzard. And continue stirring. It's actually similar to making stir fry. Allow to cook for a few minutes. Then add my spring onions. The green peas, and continue to stir. Finally, I'll add the sweet corn into my mix. It's looking so colorful and appetizing already. I wish you can perceive this tantalizing aroma. To proceed with my fried rice, it is important to note that this process is where the meal gets its name fried rice from. Into my skillet, I'll scoop a couple of spoons of my mix. Then add some of my rice and begin to stir fry. I'll pour into another pot and repeat the process with the rest of my mix. There you go, our fried rice is ready. Kindly give us a thumbs up by clicking the button below, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and notification bell in order to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching and bye for now.